Hi, guys. Ronda without an H here, Ronda Winstead. This is just a really quick video. My dears, my hands are shaking. This is with my cell phone, and this is just to show you what's been going on and why you haven't seen a video from me recently. Let's go ahead and switch this around. Okay, so I am taking this view to show you my studio is in a mess. See all of these trays of ribbons and lace and such. Well, I am preparing more boxes, priority mail boxes to share, and so I am in an upheaval, and I am finally biting the bullet and really revamping my studio a lot. So, the priority mailboxes are hiding underneath this unfinished table runner. This time, guys, there's going to be very little, if any, paper. It will be mostly fabric and laces and ribbons, and there will be quilt blocks of mine that I've decided. This is hard because when you go to the trouble of doing all this work, oh my goodness, look at that. There's my computer, and as you can see, the desk is full. These are quilt blocks, and I will just kind of go through those with you in just a minute. Just wanted to show you carefully. I'm trying to be very quiet and not jiggle a ton. So hubby brought my printer in, and he's going to be working on my setup for my videoing. And as you can see over on this table, there's more ribbons and lace in this second drawer down. It's all full of lace. I just haven't taken it out yet. So there's that. And then I'm reorganizing my papers, and hopefully it will work better for me. I'm also, and this I'm really excited about to tell you. Look, I mean, I'm in a mess. I'm just in a mess. That's just, it's just a mess, my dears. But it's okay, because it's going to get better. But this is just explaining to you why I'm not currently doing a video. And it may be a little while before I'm able to do another one. So I've ordered, okay, that covers it up. I've ordered an actual sewing table that will be here next Wednesday, and it has a drop down to where the sewing machine fits in, and then it's the same level as the table so that you can maneuver and sew. It's just a nicer setup. And then it will have on this side, it has 3 trays, wire trays. It's a metal table, and so I can keep sewing stuff. So that will allow me to kind of reduce things here and modify it. So this is like the before, some of hubby's tools, and this is kind of what he's working on for me with the desk here, hopefully to put the videoing up on that. Let me just show you, though, some of these blocks. There are mini quilts if you want, because, I mean, I did this for a long time. So I'm going to stand up and kind of try to, let's see, how can we, maybe? Okay. Yeah, that allows me to show you a little bit better. Okay, so I have all kinds of just little fun things, and I haven't quite decided yet. Oh, don't fall. All my quilting rulers is like, don't fall, don't fall. Ooh. Well, there they go. There. Okay. Yeah. So the reality is my children have had quilts and things, and my grandchildren, I've given them all, they all have 2 quilt tops. And my grandkids are quite modern, if you will. And so I'm not sure that quilts even fit their, their decor type thing. But everybody's, and every grandchild has a quilt, a baby quilt from me, a pair of baby booties, and a quilt when they turned 8 years old. So it's not like they haven't gotten things from grandma. As I'm looking at these blocks, you guys, I'm blown away. Because quite frankly, well, let me show you the backs. Let me show you the back. I really was, or am, I don't know, a very good quilter, precision quilter. I have taken a ton of time, and I focused a lot on paper piecing. And those blocks you just saw are Carol Doak patterns of paper piecing. And these now are just funky wonky things that I have done. I've taken a lot of my blocks and orphan blocks, if you will, and extra whatevers, and I've made bigger blocks or mini quilts of them. So I just want to show you, and I've got a couple of those, so I won't show you both of them. And then here we have the little fairies. So these would be great. They could be pillows, they could be whatever you want them to be. But I'm either going to include them in my packages that I'm doing, or I will be selling them separately on Etsy to share, because there's no point with my physical health the way it is, although it makes me sad. Reality is I'm never going to finish these. Oh, precision. Oh. This kind of breaks my heart a little bit, guys, but it's okay, because it's time to share, and I don't want them just piled in my studio. And of course, this needs finishing, that kind of thing. And here we have a ton of paper piece blocks. They're just so fun. So fun. And they would make wonderful whatever you want them to be. Whatever you want them to be. Just another one or two. Okay. Whew. Okay. So that is that. There I am. Yay. I'm putting this down, and finally, it's not shaking. But anyway, I love you guys, and I just want you to know that, and I don't even know if you're seeing my eyeballs here or not, or if they're off slanted, but I care about you. Want you to know what's going on with me, and I will be back, but I've got to have some time to clean and to really go through and fine-tune so I can do better for you. I love you. Have a fabulous day. Until next time. Bye-bye.